Okay, so what are, at least with respect to this, the main things? We used to have a central registration called the GATT system, but it was incomplete because lots of categories of PhD students were not properly included. Now we have the ProDoc system, which has formats for dealing with all PhD students so that we can track and monitor all of them. One of the interesting things is that if you move towards a larger system and it is both seen on a global level but also by the inspection as something that can also be seen not just as research but also as an educational format, that we did not have an OER, an opleidings- en examenreglement. We do have, of course, the promotion code itself, which has been around for ages, but that only strictly regulates the very end of the trajectory. It tells you that once the research is completed and there is a manuscript, it basically tells you what is the procedure to decide that the degree should be awarded and spells out what you should do in all sorts of cases. Yeah? But actually, what are responsibilities and rights up to that moment was completely implicit, and precisely that is quite important if you want to have a bit more to go on, if you want to monitor progress, control, quality, and the like. So this is spelled out in the PhD Charter. And well, I would say the result of the old system was that we had a rather sloppy forecast of where we would be going. And we hope that we will have an improved forecast of our performance, both in terms of the completed degrees and also in terms of registration of dropouts and percentages of those.